Are you a grandparent and are you wondering whether or not you have any legal right to see your grandchildren? The short answer is yes. Well, let me explain how. First, you have to establish that there is a pre-existing relationship between you and your grandchildren. And this relationship or bond is so strong that it is absolutely in the grandchildren's best interest to spend time with you. However, you have to weigh this with, or a court would have to weigh this with, the parents and their ability to make these decisions. Because if you establish there's a pre-existing relationship and my bond with my grandchildren is so strong that it is absolutely in their best interest for me to see them and spend time with them, court also has to weigh that with the parents. And what the United States Supreme Court said is a fundamental right of every parent to make decisions concerning their children and the rearing of their children. So as you can imagine, if you're a grandparent, you're asking the court to provide you with the legal basis or right to see your grandchildren. It's not going to be that easy because the court also has to weigh that with, again, this fundamental right of any parent to say or make the decisions as to who their children could spend time with. Again, there's still options. So it is absolutely in your best interest to consider or explore asserting these grandparent visitation rights if you have no other option, because the alternative is you may not see your grandchildren. Hopefully this isn't the case. And lastly, I'd like to note, because I think this is important, it doesn't matter whether or not the parents are married, and I think that's important. I get a lot of questions, well, do the parents have to be married in order for me as a grandparent, by way of example, to assert this right? No, just so long as the parties are not living together and there is some discrepancy or issue as to whether one parent thinks it's in the children's best interest to spend any time with those grandparents or with that grandparent. If you found this video insightful, please be sure to watch the next video by clicking here, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.